Welcome to the basic setup and troubleshooting guide for the SA300 automatic door operator. In this video, you'll learn the basic programming setup for your SA300 and basic troubleshooting tips. After installing your operator, turn it on. You'll see a run position alert displayed. To begin, press the menu button, scroll down to the position parameter. Press the select button to select the position parameter. Press the Act button to engage it. The operator will now run 2 door cycles. The first cycle will determine the door's position and direction. During this phase, you might notice the door opening and closing a bit abruptly. That's normal. The second cycle will refine the door's performance, learning the door's opening speed, backtrack speed, closing speed, and latch check speed. Once both cycles are complete, the display will show door closed. At this point, you can test the door by activating it with a known device or by pressing the Act button on the controller. Our factory defaults comply with ANSI 156.19 standards for low-energy operators, but adjustments can be made if necessary. To fine-tune the door's performance, you can adjust parameters such as door speed, back check, and latch check through the menu. Other key settings include the overload parameter, which sets the tolerance for obstructions, and the activation delay, which adjusts the time between the strike trigger and the door's movement. The control mode can be changed depending on your setup. For standard push-pull doors, use Control Mode 1. Control Mode 2 is for bathrooms with normally unlocked doors. Control Mode 3 integrates access control with a card reader, and Mode 4 is for normally locked bathroom doors. After initial setup, common issues may include the door hitting obstructions or being affected by excessive air pressure. If the operator senses an obstruction, it will shut off and reset. Once the system is reset, you can activate it again once the obstruction is cleared. If the door struggles to open due to negative air pressure or other external factors, increase the overload parameter to give the motor more power to overcome resistance while staying within ANSI standards. If at any point you need to reset the operator, simply navigate to Parameter 24, Factory Test. In the menu, change the value from 0 to 3 and press Select, then press Back, and then Menu. The door will rerun its checks and return to its original setup. Repeat the 2-cycle learning process as you did during the initial setup. For environments like senior living facilities, you may want to enable Easy Open. The default setting is at Level 1, which complies with ANSI standards. Level 2 makes the door even easier to push open, ideal for users with limited strength. When using Easy Open, you may need to adjust the stop speed parameter, which controls how quickly the door comes to a stop. With Easy Open enabled, a 12-foot heavy glass door can be set in motion with just 5 pounds of force. Adjusting the stop speed ensures the door closes smoothly and safely, providing the right balance between force and speed. With these basic setup tips and troubleshooting steps, your SA300 automatic door operator should perform efficiently and safely. For further details on advanced settings, consult the operator's manual. Thank you for choosing Sigma Automatics.